Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Hello! Hope you all have been keeping well. Today I am going to be making a trending recipe with a little twist, which is very simple, delicious and easy. Peanut butter banana bread. Let's start making. In a large bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you would like, you can add sugar here, but I'm going to skip the sugar as the ripe banana is already going to add the natural sweetness, so I don't want my bread to be really sweet. But if you would prefer, you can add a cup of sugar at this part. Now mix it all well and keep this aside. In a separate bowl, I've taken 3 ripe bananas. I'm going to mash this. I'm going to use a fork, and if you've taken ripe bananas, it's really easy to mash them, so you can just mash them completely and easily. To the mashed bananas, we're going to add 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of creamy peanut butter, and we mix it all well till the mixtures turn smooth. Now if you have an electronic hand mixer, it makes it much easier to mix. If not, you can use a whisker like I have until the mixture is turned smooth. Now to this we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, a teaspoon of oil, and whisk it again. Now pour the banana mix to the flour and mix it all till you have a smooth texture. Now you add half a bowl of milk and make the batter lump free. Take a baking loaf tray and grease all the 4 sides with butter. Then you add the batter into the tray. Now preheat your oven for 15 minutes on 180 degrees. Then you put your tray into the oven and let it bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You can see the bread is all rised up and turned golden brown and is ready. You can use a toothpick and poke it right into the center to see if your bread is completely cooked. Before you slice your bread, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. A super delicious peanut butter banana bread is ready. I love to enjoy a slice of this with a cup of tea or whenever I crave to eat something sweet. This is super delicious. This recipe is simple, easy, and really delicious. Do try this simple recipe, let me know how you like it, and see you until next time.
Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.